with what I see though. Then I guess I want some more. Then I guess I want to see more. Then I guess I'm at the door. Then I guess I want to see though. Then I guess I want more. Then I guess I want to see more. Then I guess I'm at the door. Oh yes, I wanna see some people shine, want to grind. Still I'm over here to looking you up in your eye. Yes, I want you to have nothing but the good. Let me tell you, don't be misunderstood. Don't let the people try to stop on your shine. Shine over here to where you do grind. Yes, you need your lights and your lights so bright. People talking about, do you feel alright? Still I'm telling you, say we still going up. Still I'm over here and I seeing what is up. What is over here that wanna get a virtual hugs. Still I'm over here but I know I'm not no thug. Yes, I'm over here. Yes, I'm telling you. Keep on grinding, doing things that you do. If you do it right, people will follow you. Still I'm over here to wanna go and keep it true. Yes, I feel cool. Yes, I'm straight calm. Still over here, but I wanna go run. Go and run it, and I want to run for fun. Trying to get my body right, I guess I'm getting some. Some carrying guns, some giving bums. Everybody's over there still drinking rum. Rum over here, then and you rum on it up. Still talking about I'm a homie for what? Yes, I'm saying that people wanna shine all the time. Still I'm over here to say I'm looking in your eye. Know you doing better just to put in the work. Still I'm over here to why you put in the work. Yes, the work shine with all that grind. Still over here, look me in my eye. Never got it on the really first try. Still over here saying why? Why you know what I mean? But still I'm on this up. Still I'm over here saying that people moments up. Talking about your shine when you shine on that time. Time's over here the same thing, that's my time. Time is when I'm telling all the people. Let me talk about, do you wanna know the people? If you wanna see these people get to know us. Still I'm over here to say that yes, I thought I told you to get it. Then I'm getting it on. People telling me, say I'm here in my home. Home over here where I belong. But still showing love to the other people home. People seeing cars, people seeing trucks, people outside, people getting up. People got to struggling, but you don't know what. Still showing love, cause that what is straight up. Don't know what nobody really been through, but still I'm over here showing love to you. You over here, but still I see it. Still over here, but still I own it. What?